Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I make moi moi. This moi moi is very special. See, she has a head wrap and she also has a big smile. Can you see? Let's get started.
Habanero, vegetable oil, eggs, red bell pepper, beans, fish, onion, spices, Maggi, salt. High five.
The spices are curry, thyme, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, and bouillon powder as well. The eggs will be hard boiled and the fish will be boiled and deboned. Now I'm just going to boil the fish, and I added some onions, a little salt, and bouillon powder. This fish is called Sierra. It's the closest to mackerel because they had run out of mackerel, but my preferred fish is mackerel, but it was unavailable. And I'm just going to boil this while I blend the beans. If you'd like to see how I wash and peel off the skin from the beans, check in my last video and you would see how I did it under a very short amount of time. To blend the beans, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put a good amount in your blender, and you've cut up your onions and bell peppers already, but you're going to blend. And with moi moi, don't be scared to put water because you'll find out later, but don't feel like the water will be too much, but at the same time don't over put the water, but blend. Just make sure your blender blades can move freely and blend it until you have a fluffy, smooth paste. The amount of bell pepper you add into your beans while blending your beans for moi moi determines the color of your paste. So if you want it to have more color, this red, orange, I don't even know what color is this. What color do you see? Let me know in the comment section. Now is the moment of truth. It's time to season this moi moi, and I went ahead and added some bouillon powder. I added some ginger powder and garlic powder, and I'm going to mix it all in for it to be well combined. Make sure you mix this really good, because the mixing, I guess, also helps it. I'm not sure how, but I learned it from those alasi. Alasi are the local traditional people that cook for parties. This is crayfish. I did not add it in the beginning when I was talking about the ingredients, but it's my secret ingredient. It takes the moi moi to another level. And then I added some water. You add the water a little at a time. I also learned it from these women who cook food for parties. And then I'm going to add the oil. The salt is the last thing I add. I don't think I had it on camera while I added the salt. Salt is the last thing to add, guys. If not, your moi moi, you cannot manage it when salt is too much in beans. In the word of Decca, Diary of an Abuja Mom, you can check her channel out if you haven't seen it. She said you can't manage salty beans. So rice, you can even try and manage, or beans, if you mess up the salt, that's the end. So you just add it little by little and taste until you're satisfied with the salt content. Mix until all your ingredients are well combined. Don't be tired of mixing. We need all this goodness to just flow in. Here's a quick check for the consistency. Look at how runny it is. Yeah, that's good. So the next thing I did was pretty important. I brought some water to a boil in a big pot, and what I did was to get some foil paper and put on the bottom. I folded them into two, so it's like doubled, and I put on the bottom of the pot because moi moi, to cook moi moi, you need the steam. You don't necessarily need the water to get in contact with whatever you're using to cook the moi moi. It's just the steam we need. I used 3 different containers to make this moi moi, and I'll show you guys each of them. These were the plastic ones that had the cap that fit right into it. So I just put some of the moi moi. It looks really light, you guys, but the moi moi came out so nice and light. I put some eggs, and then I put the mackerel fish at this time, so that every moi moi container gets a reasonable amount of both egg and fish. You just want to be fair. So that's what I did with this one, and then I passed it, and then it was closed and put into the steaming pot. So that's what I did for the plastic one. The plastic one, it comes right off, You can line it with some oil or cooking spray, but it doesn't matter because it will come right off. Yeah, so you see I added the eggs and then I add some fish. The next type of containers I used were these ceramic ones, and I just sprayed them with cooking spray, basically just oil. You can line it with oil, and these containers do not have a cap, so I used foil paper to close or cover these, and I put them right on top of the pot. Yeah, and so they get one egg and also some fish, just in case you wanted a smaller serving. And also, yes, most importantly, it was basically for my YouTube thumbnail. Let me not even lie, I wanted something really nice and cute for YouTube, so you guys tell me thank you. This is how the pot looks right now, with those plastic containers nicely seated, and I'm just going to put the ones in the ceramic bowl covered with the foil. I'm just gonna put them on top. Yeah, that'll be it. I don't know if you noticed a few moments ago, the pot is full, but I still have a good amount of blended beans left over, so I did the same thing to a different pot. This time I lined it, put some water, brought it to a boil, and then I used foil to make the moi moi. So I want to show you guys how I fold the foil. When you cut out a reasonable size of foil, bend the ends until you have it nice and sealed. Just seal it properly, and then you're going to seal the bottom as well, but you're going to leave one side of it open, of course, where you can pour your beans. And that's it guys. It's that easy, but I'll show you how to seal it when you're done pouring the beans. So now you just put a good amount of your moi moi mix and add fish and egg. Please don't forget to, except you want to be mean to the person that's gonna get this one, and you seal like so. Let's check on our moi moi. This is how it looks. Look at that steam just coming out. The steam is real, and that's what we need. So it's steaming away, and it should be ready in 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the heat and how it's distributed, blah blah blah. Anyways, you just keep checking, and if the water is gone or reducing, you put some more water carefully from the side of the pot, and this is what I'm showing you. And after a few minutes, your moi moi is ready. Let the moi moi cool down for a little bit before you serve, and then you can enjoy it by itself, or you can enjoy it with gari, with pap, with rice, with bread. How do you like your moi moi? Let me know in the comment section. I'm kind of curious to find out, because some people are weird and they mix it with different things. But yeah, let me know.
I really think this moi moi tastes very good.
Yeah.
Can I have all of it?
You can have another spoon. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, bye.